In async Python, exceptions can vanish without a trace. Here's how concurrent coroutines should handle them. The first line of defense is a simple try except inside your coroutine. Like synchronous code, you catch the exception locally, log it, clean up resources, and return a fallback. This isolates failure to one task without affecting the rest. When you run tasks with asyncio.gather, the default fails fast. One exception cancels everything. Pass return_exceptions equals true, and all tasks run to completion. The result is a mixed list of values and exceptions. Iterate through it, check with isInstance for exception, and handle each independently. Python 3.11 added asyncio.TaskGroup for structured concurrency. Register task with tg.create_task inside the async with block. When the block exits, all tasks are awaited. If any raises, the rest are cancelled and an exception group propagates. Clean, bounded scope. Pick your strategy based on the use case. For independent tasks where partial failure is acceptable, use gather with return_exceptions and process each result individually. For tightly coupled work, use TaskGroup. One failure cancels all. And always handle exceptions explicitly. With create_task, unhandled errors are silently swallowed with no trace. Handle async exceptions with try except locally, gather with return_exceptions for parallel resilience, or TaskGroup for structured safety. Follow for more Python async patterns. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.